Talafalava. My name is Brandon Cooper.
My name is Levi Milford. My favourite place to eat in Samoa is Bella's Kitchen.
And mine's Fat Burger. Today we're gonna play
Read My Lips.
Let's get it.
I was about to say I don't know how to put this on.
Can you hear me?
I can read your lips.
Oh, you can read my lips? Okay. Tami Titi.
Taumasina.
Yeah, that's where you went today, Tamai Titi. Tamai Titi.
Tamasese.
You got it right.
Tamaikis.
Mari.
Mary.
Taco.
Taco.
Taco. Nah, go on.
I'm reading your actions, not your lips.
Sorry, man. Banana. Banana.
Banana.
Can you hear me? 5 feet out.
5 feet out.
Drop, go.
Tropical.
Drop, go.
Tripod.
Yeah. You got it right.
That was right.
Nah.
Oh.
Tuangani.
Tree.
Yeah.
Tree something.
Yeah. Did the whole word. Whole word. Yeah.
Tree.
Yeah.
Coconut tree.
Yeah.
But you didn't say coconut.
Because you can't hear me. That's what. Alright, let's go. Let's do this.
Music. Music.
Johnny, can make sound of vowels out.
You see.
Mori. Mori.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Brian Lima.
Swimming pool.
2 people.
Swimming pool.
Huh?
Swimming people. Swimming pool. Aso-sa.
Sugar.
Aso.
I saw.
May I? May I?
Eating.
Oh, may I? Can you see my mouth?
Okay.
Sing. Sing. Sing, sing, sing.
Singing.
Yeah. Oh. Referee. Referee.
Referee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Loku. Loku.
Yo-yo.
Loku.
You win, bro. You win, man. I hate this. You win. You get it. You came all the way from Tommy. You win.